Okay, so I woke up today with anticipation because this is the first batch of reuteri uh, yogurt, homemade yogurt I've made with the Ultimate Yogurt Maker. Okay, and so I believe this is going to be better than any yogurt I've had before because there's no sugar or any additives in it. I'm not going to sweeten it. I'm just going to use like my first taste test is going to be some crushed blueberries with a quarter of a cup of the yogurt. It does appear to be a little bit watery, but in general it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, you know. So I'll drain the water off, but you know, excuse me. One of the questions I had was, you know, like I watched the video on how to make this, and you know, you put the covers on tightly. You put the two dishes in the little machine. You fill it up with water to the level of the yogurt. You know, the mixture you made. And my question was, well, it's fermenting, you know, so will, you know, like, do the covers go on tight or what? And then so when I opened it earlier, before I put the yogurt in the refrigerator, the cover on one of them was lifted off. So yeah, the fermentation popped off one of the covers, and the other cover wasn't on really tight either. But, you know, some of the water, I don't know, like from the condensation in this machine probably got into the yogurt. I don't know, but I believe it's going to be really good. And so I'm going to fill up the first quarter cup here, and I'm going to try it. And so, you know, like from you know, I use like half and half, a quarter, half and half. So, you know, they say like eighth cup, 1/8 of a cup of a serving. So really, it equals like a quarter of a cup because there's 2 cups of yogurt. I mean, there's 2 cups and yeah, 32 ounces. So it's like a quarter of a cup. So here goes, you know. I'm gonna give it a try. Wow, it's very creamy. Tastes good. First non-flavored, you know, sugar-filled yogurt I'm ever eating. And I know that I'm never going to go back to store-bought yogurt. And so there are other strains of you know, active cultures to use, and so I'm starting at L reuteri, and then I'll branch out. And the Ultimate Yogurt Maker comes, you know, there's like a recipe book that you get online, and you can even make kefir. And so kefir, like if you look at store-bought kefir, there's quite a few active cultures in it, but once again, there's a lot of sugar. And I thought kefir was similar to yogurt, but it's more like milk. But so I'll be making kefir with this, and I'll be making different strains of yogurt. And I really like this machine, and I would recommend it to everyone.